So you don't have money to start an ATM business. I call BS on that. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I'm an independent ATM business owner. It's been one since 2009, and I'm an ATM business mentor. I've been doing that since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that will generate you consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Why would you want passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? Well, it's going to be different for each person. Some people want to get out of their 9-to-5 jobs. Some folks want to supplement their retirement. Some folks, this is their retirement. Some people are tired of putting a bunch of capital out there to make a decent return, and instead want to put a smaller amount of capital out there to make a decent return. And there's some folks that are just finally ready to put their money to work for them, right? So it could be a different reason for each person. It could be a reason that I didn't even mention yet, right? But that's why you want consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, if you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, I welcome you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better yet, just click the link in the description. All right. So sometimes I get people saying, posting on my videos or in a Facebook group or wherever they see me, or even email me, right? Saying, but I don't have money to start an ATM business. I don't have money, blah, blah, blah. I don't have money. Guess what? And that's Spencer. Guess what? I didn't have money when I started my ATM business in 2009 either. Okay, so this, I don't have money. I know this is not what you want to hear, but you know me, I just tell you like it is. I'm not here to sugarcoat things, right? So this I don't have money attitude, it's all in your mind. It's bullshit. It's all up here. That's what it is, okay? If you want something bad enough, you'll figure out how to get it, period, right? If you want it, say hello to everybody, Spencer. It's my boy. If you wanted a brand new car, guess what? You'd figure out how to get it. If you wanted a house, you'd figure out how to get it. If you wanted the new pair of Nikes or whatever popular thing is out right now, you'd figure out how to get it. So tell me, why is starting an ATM business any different? It's not, okay? The only difference is you figure out how to get money for liabilities. You don't figure out how to come up with money for assets, okay? That's what an ATM business would be, an asset, okay? It's going to constantly bring more money into your life, okay? So that's up in here, okay? You know, if you wanted to get a $5 Starbucks coffee every day before you go to work, what is that? That's $25 a week. That's $100 a month. You know you'd get that. You know you'd figure out how to get that, right? But if you want to instead save that money, so you have $100 every month that you could put towards an ATM business one day, guess what? You could do that too, but you choose not to. You choose to buy the Starbucks. Okay? Now here's the thing. I'm not telling you to not get Starbucks coffee, right? And instead save for your ATM business. What I'm telling you to do is start thinking more. Start thinking outside the box. Like, okay, I make X amount of money. My bills are, Y amount. I spend, Z amount on garbage, which totally fine. We all do, right? But what can you do to not make X amount of money? Okay, instead make X amount of money plus this extra money. What can you do to figure that out, right? So, like I said, when we started our ATM business in 2009, we didn't have any money. We used cash advance on a credit card, and we also used actually 2 credit cards and a small line of credit that I had for my real estate business. That's how I started, okay? None of it was my money. It was borrowed money, okay? I'm not telling you to borrow money, but I didn't make an excuse. Like, we wanted to start an ATM business, and we had no money, so we figured out how to do it. It's up here when you say you don't have any money. It's up here, okay? So you got to figure out, how can I make extra money? Okay, maybe you have a skill. Maybe you're really talented artist, okay? So now maybe you start drawing pictures for folks. You know what I mean? Whatever it is, animal pictures, family pictures, whatever. You start charging for that, okay? maybe you have a skill of you're great at bookkeeping. Well, now you start charging people to be a bookkeeper. Okay, you're making extra money on the side. Okay, maybe you're like, Carey, I don't have any skills like that. Well, guess what? Mow somebody's lawn. Okay, mow lawns. Oh, Carey, but it's all snowy here. Shovel snow, shovel driveways, right? There's ways to make money, guys. Actually, you could probably look around your house and make a couple $1,000 just by selling shit that you haven't used for years. You know what I mean? But there's ways to make money. Tons of ways to make money. You just got to get out of this mindset of, oh, woe is me. I don't have any money to start an ATM business. Stop it. Okay? Stop it. Go and figure it out. Okay? So every one of us can make extra money on the side doing things. Okay? So we have our job. That's our normal money. Every single one of us can do something on the side to make extra money. Okay? Maybe you're like, Carey, I can't think like that. I just need to get another job. Well, then do it. Get another job. Stop saying you don't have any money. Okay? If you want to start an ATM business or any business for that matter, bad enough, you will figure out how to come up with the money. Okay? You'll figure it out. And it might be, Spencer's eating trying to bite my things right now. Like I said, it might be you have to get another job. It might be that you go on a strict budget with yourself. Okay? It might be, you know what? You're like, you know what? I do waste some money on certain things I don't need to, or I do have extra money every month. Maybe from now on, I'm going to start saving X amount of my paycheck to put towards starting an ATM business or any business. I don't even care what kind of business it is, guys. This goes for anything that you want to do that you keep saying I don't have money for. By the way, I'm talking about assets, businesses, things that can make you more money, right? Because if you tell me, Carey, I don't have enough money to buy a new car, guess what? I don't really care. I don't care. That new car is a liability, right? But if you say, I don't have enough money to create an asset that's going to make me more money that'll allow me to buy that car, well, that's when I'm going to be like, I call BS. Figure it out. Figure it out. Come up with a plan to save the money you need to start a business and work that plan until you get there. Okay? Get out of your own mind. You're getting in your own way. Stop it. Stop. Okay? And then when you're ready to start, oh, by the way, I know this isn't what you want to hear. Sorry, not sorry. But don't forget to like this video. All right, say, okay, this is not what I like to hear, but it's what I needed to hear. So like this video, okay? Give me some thumbs up. Don't forget click that little ATM right there, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to be notified, okay? Okay, don't forget to do that. Like, downs are bad, likes are good, okay? Subscribe, ATM right there. Got any questions? Post them below. Any ideas for new videos, post them below. And of course, if you are going to figure out how to come up with some money and you know, hey, guess what? I have money, or I know how to come up with some money and I want to start an ATM business and you'd like me to help you, go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better yet, click the link in the bio. All right. I just had to get that off my chest. Sorry. All right, guys. Listen, have a great day. Talk to you soon. May you live happily off of passive income. Get out of your own way. You can make amazing things happen if you get out of your own mind and get out of your own way. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.